Let's take a sip of inspiration together. In case you don't know me, my name is Stefan Hensch. Sip of Inspiration is a weekly format on YouTube. Today I want to talk about how you can save 1,500 hours. That means 62 days. Sounds crazy? Wait for it. 11 minutes is the time period or the slot an average office worker can be concentrated. And then it's a distraction. But it's getting worse. When we once far away from our concentration focus, it takes about 25 minutes to come back. So we are challenging a lot of different sweet spots during the day. And one is definitely the email. So emails are awesome, definitely. But there are always two sides of the coins. And that's why I just want to talk to you during the coffee break about three different aspects. The first is about statistics. That actually shocked me and hopefully makes you thinking about email. The second one is the question, what could you do? Like general inspiration. And the sip on inspiration also means we want to be concrete. So we're talking about the third aspect. This is all about what you really could do. There was a quotation for a lot of people. How long or how often do you check your emails? A lot of people, well, the average people say about every 50-60 minutes. But this is a totally wrong perception. In average, we are checking every 5 to 10 minutes our emails. And when we tear off of the concentration, as I said, it's very hard to come back. It takes a while. So the second aspect is what could we do before we're coming to the concrete step? What should you do? What could you do is also following a research from Julia Morgenstern. Don't start your day with answering the emails because the people have already the feeling, oh, I have done something very important. But they're also a little bit exhausted and they can't really start their real work, which is waiting on the desk. The second one is stop sorting your emails. We are wasting too much time by putting all the emails in these urgent or important or client files. It's much more efficient if you're using only the options of searching emails. So these are only two ideas, and where's the way where we want to go today is we want to save a lot of hours. So again, just keep in mind, regarding the statistics, we're working about 15,000 hours in a work life, like 35 years. If you only can save 10% of all these email stuff, we're talking about 1,500 hours. It's 62 days. What can you do in 62 days with your savings so you can just maybe change the world? Before we are changing, of course, the world, we have to go to the third aspect. And the third aspect is what should you do? These are concrete steps. Point number one, don't answer emails right away. Point number two, stop these ping pong emails. Point number three, unsubscribe from unnecessary notifications. Point 4, turn off the incoming notification. Point number 5, emails only in a neutral tone. Yeah, we can prevent the probability of conflicts and vendettas. And the probability of gossips, it's going down. Point number 5, define a daily time, a window where you're working on the emails and make a limitation of the email working time. Point number 7, empty your inbox every single day. 8, start sending less emails by yourself. Point number 9, before you write an email, think about it if maybe the phone is much better or if the email is at all necessary. And the last point is stop wasting too much time by organizing your emails. So these are the 10 points. You can just pick 3 of them and try really work hard to implement this as a new habit that you're preventing one of these points or you start doing one of these points. It's your decision. So please check again the 10 points and really implement them as a habit for your future work. So these are the steps. If you implement it, you can save 10% of these wasted 15,000 hours on emailing. 10%, it's 1,500. This I promised you. Just start working. Have a nice day. Looks like my coffee is empty. I wish you a good day, and I'm also going back to my work.